nung ipinaging flat-chested, tinatanong ni Linya kung was there ever a time din naisip mo na magpa-enhance or something?
Actually, I'll be honest. I'll be like, nag-slip siya sa head ko, should I? Because I remember before they were telling me, yes, you should have your breasts done. And I was like, really? But I'm so paranoid. Sa totoo lang, I'm too paranoid to do anything like that. So I'm happy that I didn't. Because now I can wear anything I want. I can wear like, sorry, I mean like, pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, nakakaingit yung mga taong may side boob. Pag nakikita ko sila like, sana all.
Pero hindi naman kailangan, no? You realize, especially na meron ka ng husband.
Gusto ko yung ganun basihan. Yung validation, may husband na ako, I don't need to get a boob job. Just kidding. No, it's like, yun nga eh, what makes you different is what's gonna make you shine. Paano na lang if everyone looks the same, diba? So parang yun talaga yung kailangan, what makes you different, what makes you, like, unique, is what's gonna make you who you are and what's gonna, you know, make you shine.
Make you stand out,
make
special.
You stand out, for sure.